Welcome! Today I'm excited to show you a powerful wood framing tool I've been developing for Revit. This plugin automates the framing process for walls, floors, ceilings, and roofs in just a few clicks. Let's dive in. Here is another AI assistant to help explain how to use the plugin.
First, let's frame some walls. Select the walls and run the wall framing tool. In the dialog, you'll assign the column and joist families, spacing, and plate options. Note, if you don't see these options, make sure to load your dimensional lumber families into your project first. A very important feature here is the floor selection option at the bottom. Checking this uses the selected floor as the exact base for your frame, ensuring everything aligns perfectly. Very important to note, everything you see from the time I click the button to when the frame has been modeled is in real time. No speeding up, no magic other than the plugin itself. Design changes happen, and this tool handles them effortlessly. If you move an opening, like dragging this window to a new location, simply select the wall and run the plugin again. It immediately replaces the old frame and rebuilds the headers and studs around the new opening. Moving on to ceilings, the process is just as straightforward. Select the ceiling, run the Ceiling Framing tool, and it automatically generates the joists, perfectly framing out any openings or penetrations you have in the ceiling. For single-slope roofs, it's the exact same easy workflow. Select the roof, run single-slope roof framing, pick your rafter families, and generate. It calculates the pitch and places the rafters perfectly. Next up is floors. We select our floor element and run floor framing. And just like with the walls, it's completely dynamic. If we edit the floor boundary, like extending this deck outward, we just rerun the plugin, and the floor framing updates instantly to fill the expanded profile. What if we make a major change, like swapping to a multi-slope roof? If done right, the exterior walls are already attached to the roof, so their shape would be changed in Revit automatically. Because the walls are now different heights, we just select them and run the Wall Framing tool one more time. The studs automatically adjust to follow the new sloped top profile. Now we can frame that new roof using the dedicated multi-slope roof option. Even with a different geometry, it intelligently calculates the ridges, valleys, and rafters to give you an accurate frame. Once your model is framed, you need to quantify it. Running the Material List tool automatically creates a comprehensive Revit schedule. It counts all the generated wood elements, sorting them by family, length, and count. For extra control, you can click any item directly inside the schedule, and Revit will highlight that specific physical element right in your 3D view. Finally, a feature that is currently in development, exterior sheathing estimation. You can run split sheathing on walls, floors, or roofs, and it calculates exactly how many full panels you need, how many partial cuts are required, and estimates the total material waste percentage.
This tool is designed to save you hours of manual modeling, if you actually dare to do it. You can download it right now using the link in the description. If you find it useful, please share it and give it a star on GitHub. I'm currently refining it before submitting it as an official extension, so I would love to hear your feedback and feature requests in the comments below. Thanks for watching.